Excuse me, what are you doing in my garage?
So guys, this is the new me. I'm not Tanya. I'm somebody else. Because apparently I can't be me.
Can't look like you.
I can't look like me.
The haters don't like it. Kind of look like SpongeBob.
Do I?
Yeah.
Alright.
Disclaimer, we're just having fun. We are not professionals. If you aren't here to enjoy, this channel may not be for you.
First off, we gotta get our lowering kit off because we are now installing our rear shocks and compressor.
Guys, to complete this, we bought the full set from American Suspension. You see a nice box over there. This is their Fast Up Air Kit. It's gonna be super nice. We have our
what do you call this thing again?
Strategic Air Command. It's like a trumpet. We're gonna have to take off the lowering kit that we did many episodes back now that people were talking so much shit about.
So much shit. This thing is slammed. We had to see what it would look like lowered.
Flippers. I like this flipper.
Yeah! Hey, it's Comfy Friday. Alright, so time check.
Time check. That's a late start.
It's a late start tonight.
Late start. Oof. 11:58.
Yeah. We started
PM.
we started like what, 5 minutes ago?
Yeah. Solo cup rating.
I'm only on
it's
1
2
now.
because I'm already on 2.
Oh, well, then it at least has to be 3.
It's a 3. It's always a 3.
I would have rather it be a 4 because I'm an even numbers kind of person.
Let's go for 4. Let's just make it a 4.
Yeah, we should. It's Friday.
Look at this crusty wheel. That'll soon be replaced.
I like these pants because they got pockets.
Oh, you got pockets, nice.
Got pockets.
No rush, no rush. I know it's midnight, but there's
I
no
know,
rush.
I'm just so excited.
So excited.
I want to get this done.
So you'll notice we got the bags off, one of the bag filler off. This is where the compressor is going to mount, right onto these 2 bolts, which is super convenient. I looked at all the air ride systems, and this one just did it for us.
So guys, we ended up getting...
Put that there. Oh God, the white seat's there. Stay away from the white seat.
You stay away
Don't
from
even
the
look
white
at
seat.
it.
No,
Don't even
you.
look at it.
We ended up getting a little over a foot of snow for our first snowstorm. That was fun. And now it's all gone because it rained like 2 days later.
See? That's what happens. You get the foot and then it just leaves. It doesn't stick around. Place those guys up here for a second. So we just lifted our little strut there. I don't know if you guys remember in one of the videos past, we took off that license plate bar.
I'm gonna slam myself in the face. I almost still slammed myself in the face.
So there's our little eliminator kit right there. We're gonna take off this one bolt here and get off our airline and be done with this old...
Do I need to take this
No,
off?
just this one. We will be done with this old Airline kit. Yeah, so we did some eagle lights on Tanya's father's Gladiator.
Oh yes, we got them for him for Christmas.
All right, so like those 2 dopes just said in the video, we have a 2020 Jeep Gladiator here. We're gonna put some 7-inch headlights from Eagle Lights. There's only 3 10mm screws. You pop up your grill, easy peasy. Let's get to it. After you unscrew your 3 bolts, you just have one little harness in the back to unplug. So depending on your gear, you have to make sure to either get your JK brackets or your JL brackets, depending if it's a Gladiator or a Wrangler. Look at the size of this monstrosity here. So this is what we're gonna go to, something like that. Just gonna take off these 3, 1, 2, 3, get our projector in. We should be good to plug it back in. One little harness. So you'll see when you put the brackets in that you have little tabs that actually lock it into place, and they're directional. So one says right, one says left. When you put your headlight in, make sure you look for the DOT. That'll go on top. Your little slots that go around the side will match up with those going around as well. So it's kind of just like that. It'll fit right in there. There it is. Wow, it's bright. So all in all, that was a very, very easy install. Even chasing around a 4-year-old, I got that done in about 20 minutes, start to finish, very easy. So if you guys have a Jeep, you should check out Eagle Lights too. It's not only motorcycle stuff.
Talk about a difference between before and after.
Well, guys, and not only that, but like Eagle Lights isn't just for Harleys.
No, they make
for
Jeep
Jeeps.
stuff too.
Yeah.
And they make Indian stuff, they make Honda stuff, they make a lot of different stuff. You just gotta go check out their website. We can get rid of these monstrosities. She should be able to just pick it up as a whole unit now. Enough drinking. Let's get to the job at hand. Oof.
Oh.
that was a tough one? Had a little bite to it.
Oh, and some nasty stuff in there.
Number two.
Number two.
Number two. All right.
We had enough people talk shit about our propane heater, and I broke it.
That's not what it is at all. He broke it. That's what happened.
Just the igniter. Just the igniter.
Yeah, okay. All right, look at these beauties, guys.
Yeah, these are badass.
Love it.
So what makes these special and ahead of the other ones is there's spherical bearings in there.
Yeah.
They will never, it doesn't bind. So, look at that. So the airline is gonna go towards the back of the bike actually, which is kind of seems kind of weird, but it's the way it goes.
Okay.
Perfect.
Mr. Coach. Am I putting it on the right way though?
Mm-hmm.
It goes this
Tapered
way.
in, yep.
Tapered in, okay.
Because you want it to go like towards the bearing.
Okay. Fancy. Oh god. Hang on tight. Hang on tight, Eric. You got this.
That's what she said.
Talk about aired out. You know how low that thing's gonna be when she airs it out. Like the tire will be completely tucked. Obviously, we'll be able to ride like that, but when you stop somewhere, you can definitely.
Yeah.
Oh god!
Didn't know you were doing all that.
My nuts dropped. Muscles over here got it done. I know we can tighten
Hand
those down.
tight.
We are so close. So close to run some air through this system.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
So shocks are on. Next, it's for our air compressor. These bolts here will just, nice. These bolts here will just thread into this. You'll see right here on here, it says 08 and down. We'll use this one, 08 and down. Otherwise, if you had 08 to 13, it would, you just leave it the way it is. 08 and down, just put that there. Pretty sweet. Pretty cool how that's designed.
I think we grabbed. I think we ate.
We ate.
We ate. I think it ate.
It ate or sat?
Oh, is that what you said? I thought you said, let's see if we
seat.
can get it to eat.
Tanya actually caught it. We forgot the Loctite. Back on there now.
She ain't going nowhere.
Stop
Stop it.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Stop
it. All right, it didn't make a mark. It's fine. It's fine.
Drink break.
That means you too.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Oh, we should make a game on this channel now. When we say do a shot, you do a shot.
We should do that.
Yes.
What do you guys think? Should we do that?
The shot game?
But does that mean we have to take a shot with them?
Sure, why not? I'll do it with them.
I'll do it with them. I mean, it's our Friday night. Why not?
Why not?
Sleepy baby. Eric's being his neurotic, crazy self with the zip ties.
Well, we just gotta make sure that we zip tie it good so that the wire doesn't get caught in the brake rotor of the wheel.
Well, in that case, be as neurotic as you want
Yeah,
to
you
be.
don't want that. You don't want that. Then we'll just kind of bring it straight up to the strut over here. We'll do a preliminary zip tie.
Yeah, and then, you know, along the way you figure
Yeah,
out
we gotta cut a zip tie real quick. We'll cut a zip tie. Approved.
I'm like a rotisserie.
Warming your arse by the fire. So we only really have one more step, and that's just running air lines. The front we have preliminary done up. This is not permanent. We're just doing this until
it's the mocklet stage.
The mocklet stage. We don't want to cut. I don't want to cut any of these air lines down shorter until we actually know. Everything's kind of just loose right now. We'll
Loosey goosey.
Loosey
goosey.
They just push in. It's the easiest thing ever, and then you kind of just
Doing your job over here, man.
I know. So those are gonna come together, and then they're gonna tee.
Tee.
And these are gonna come together. They're gonna tee somewhere over here. They give you the tee. They give you everything you need.
Oh God.
Are you okay? All right. So once again, we are running everything very. Everything's got length on it.
That's what she said.
I'm trying not to. We don't want to kink anything. We're just kind of seeing how it all lays out right now. That sound about right, Tyler?
Mocklet stage.
The mocklet.
What the hell is this?
You are on fire tonight.
Listen, you got your shop a mess over here. I don't even know if you can see what's going on here.
And the last one just goes into there, and this is gonna run somewhere down below the bike. That one that you're holding right there, that's gonna be our dump. That's just gonna point down to the ground. And when you dump, that's the pissa right there.
Pissa, whoa, yeah, wicked pissa.
We know this is a mess. This is seriously, I don't know how exactly we're gonna run this. It's late at night right now.
Chime check. Chime check. Chime check.
It is 1:05 in the morning. We're just, like I said, this is very rough draftish, but we just want to make sure everything works. So, Tanya, why don't you do the honors and plug this into the battery tender?
What scared me? It's gonna make that noise right away.
I guess so. Compressor is full.
Yes. So we're gonna I think just experiment.
Yeah, we gotta experiment with this SAC as it's called. The SAC.
I thought it was a strategic
Air Command, the SAC.
Oh, acronym, yes, okay.
All right, so the top is the air in.
Air in, front, rear, dump.
Yeah, look at that. Look at how fast that goes up.
Okay. I'm holding on, guys.
Yeah, because the bike's really, it's on a lift right now, so we want to see.
So, all right, so we have front, which is not really connected yet, and then we have rear.
Well, it's connected, but we don't have any way to gauge it going up and down really, because there's no wheel on it.
Exactly. Can we though? Maybe.
I don't know. It's not like it's gonna move.
Yeah. All right. Let's try the rear then. So the rear.
They're poles. They're poles.
They're poles?
Yes, the two middles are poles. No, the two middles are poles. So it's like you pull it out to isolate it.
All right, so
after much trumpet playing,
we did figure it out. Okay,
kind of. I think
we think. Yes. So basically, how it works is this is your front. Your second one's your front. This is your back. In order to get your front to do what you want it to do, you pull it out. So in locks it. So it's like a safety feature, right? You push in, it locks it. You pull it out if you want to add air or if you want to dump, right?
Release air, yep.
So, if you are done with your front and you want to work on your back,
then so like if you park.
Right, you pull your front, your rear out, and then you either pull your rear out.
Yeah, so why don't you is the back dumped down right now? Or is it,
so I don't really.
No, why don't you pull the back one out and add a little bit of air to it. Oh yeah. Aim that dump down so it doesn't blow you in the face, but.
Okay. This is our pissa.
That's the pissa. That's gonna go down to the bottom for us. Okay guys, so I'm editing this video and I realized that we really couldn't show you the full extent because the bike was on pancake jacks. It was kind of going up and run down, no front wheel. So let's show you
how it's really gonna go down here. So first we'll start off with the front. Whoa. Oh. All right, got a little bit more in the front, but we'll show you the back now. Watch this. So, back up. Whoa. So guys, I just wanted to show you that, and of course you're gonna see more in the next video.
The next time you see us, things are gonna be different.
Things are much different.
Things are gonna happen.
Things
are gonna be like changing. Didn't make it to 4. We made it to 3 though. How many did you guys make it to?
Yeah, we want to hear how many you guys had. Gross.
That one's mine. It's like fiber hair. It's not even my hair.
My
It
hair.
actually looks like Lita's hair.
Gross.
Why is it gross? It's my hair.
Once a hair leaves the body and it ends up anywhere, disgusting.
Shut up. As always, guys,
Thanks for watching.
stay tuned for the next one.